Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, I like to do vlogs and DIYs and sometimes some little funny videos, but it's mainly vlogs and DIYs. And my style is farmhouse. And right now I'm doing Easter farmhouse decor. And today I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so be sure to watch to the end so that you can participate and see what's going to be given away. So today I just have this little box. It's from the Dollar Tree. I've already removed the sticker on the inside. And now I just have to remove this part. Okay, so after I got that removed, I got it as smooth as I could get it. And I sanded it just a tad bit. I'm going to take some white Waverly chalk paint. And I'm going to paint all of this and all of that. So. Okay, so while that's drying, we're gonna move on to the next one. Got this from the Dollar Tree, and I got this from like a thrift store somewhere, but it's a little wooden bowl. It's pretty neat. So, I've already wiped this down in alcohol, so it's ready for my paint. And I'm going to just use the same brush that I used for the other one, and I'm just going to paint the whole surface of the candle holder white. Next, I'm just going to take some white, and I'm also going to paint the bowl. going to put on a second coat. I just got this bunny here from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cover it with a piece of this paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I've already used a piece of it, so it's going a long way for 69 cents. But I actually got it whenever it was the 4 for $1. So what I'm going to do first is just find kind of where I want my bunny pattern to be on here, and then I'm going to lay it down and trace it and cut it out. So after I got it traced, I'm just going to cut it out. my video today. I hope you enjoyed the craft that I put together, because that is going to be your prize that you win. And you also will win all of these paint colors in front of me. I have these that are behind that you can't hardly see. So there's yellow, blue, black, green, pink, white, and orange. And I'm also going to put in some foam brushes. All you have to do to enter to win is subscribe and share, and then comment done on the video. I am trying to get my subscriber count up from 40 to 100, and once I get it up to 100, I'm going to put all of the names in, probably either a website. I probably won't do like the hat drawing. I'll probably do like a website where it does it for me. So whoever wins will win the DIYs that I did today, then all of this paint and these brushes. So after I get the 100 subscribers, we'll be drawing, and if your name is chosen, I will contact you and I will mail these items to you, or if I personally know you, I will just bring them to you. But if I don't, I will mail them to you. So I will contact you and get all of the information that I need, and I will be announcing the winner on my channel once I get the 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it, and have a blessed day.